Let's go ahead with part 3 of our heart granny square. The first thing we need to do is slip stitch into the next stitch, which should position us in the middle of one of the sides of the square. There's 3 stitches that make up the sides and you should be in the middle second one. Next we need to chain 1 and then do 8 double crochet into the chain 2 corner space. Now the chain 2 corner space is the gap you have on each corner of your square, where you chained 2 in the previous row. Remember, if your loops fall off your hook like that, just grab them back onto your hook and do your stitch. So we're yarning over, going into that chain 2 space, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and that makes a double crochet. Remember, you need to do 8 of these double crochet stitches into the same chain 2 corner space, and once you have 8, you'll have the first curve of the heart. Next we are going to chain 1 and then single crochet into the next chain 2 corner space, so that gap where we chained 2 in the previous row. Chain 1 and then we're going to skip one of the stitches and go into the next stitch and do 2 single crochet into the middle stitch of that side of the square. So again, there's 3 stitches to make up a side and you should be in the second one, which is in the middle. Chain 1 and then do 2 single crochet into the same stitch. So you should end up with 4 single crochet in the middle of this side of your square. You need to chain 1 and then find your next chain 2 corner space, put your hook in and do a single crochet into this corner space. Chain 1 and then we need to do 8 double crochet into the final chain 2 corner space. So find your 2 chains from the previous row, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. And do this 8 times to make the second curve of your heart. Have a count and make sure you have 8 double crochet in that final chain 2 corner space, and then you need to chain 1. And to finish off the row, we need to slip stitch where we started. Just go into that first stitch, yarn over, pull through, and then pull that loop through the other loop. And if you lose your stitch, just grab that loop and pop your hook back in. And there you have your heart. Just fasten off and weave in the ends, and if you're not sure about that, there's a video on our YouTube channel for that too. These make really cute hanging heart decorations if you wanted to stop there, or join me for part 4 to make it into a granny square.